It's very important to make sure that you're staying on top of things in the property. And when you don't live there, it's dependent upon either you doing routine inspections to uncover things that need to be addressed, or to the tenants to advise you if they see something that needs to be addressed. And we give all of our tenants a guideline of what we want them to bring to our attention so that something doesn't get left unattended to. Leaks, undetected leaks, or a leak that is detected but the tenant just fails to bring to your attention can be one of the biggest issues in a property. One of the hardest things about being an owner managing your own properties is to deal with the maintenance. Tenants call at all hours, on weekends, whenever they consider that they think about it, and sometimes they'll call you and it's an emergency, but it's really not an emergency. Sometimes they call you and it absolutely is an emergency. So you need to have a system in place, number one, to determine if it truly is an emergency. Do you need to dispatch a plumber at 11 o'clock at night on a Saturday when you're going to be paying, triple wages? Or is it something that can wait till Monday morning? You need to have a system in place to be able to determine all that. Now, we have a 24-hour maintenance line, and we have somebody that mans that phone at all hours. So they know how to determine if it's something that's truly an emergency or not. Nothing will make a tenant more angry quicker than feeling like their issue isn't being addressed. And even if it's something where you say, look, we can't get somebody out until Monday morning, but we just want you to know that we got your call and we will respond to it, and we'll have somebody out there first thing Monday morning. Oftentimes that's all they want to hear. The one thing I will say about maintenance is, because not only have I owned my own properties in Santa Cruz County for a very long time, I've been managing properties for other people for a very long time. And so we've developed a really good team that we have around us. We feel very comfortable with the people that we have on our approved vendor list. And not only that, sometimes tenants will let their guard down if a vendor is coming into the house versus knowing that their property manager is coming into the house. And so our vendors know if they see something that concerns them, they know to report it to us right away. If it's somebody that's not supposed to have pets, or somebody that is only supposed to have 1 or 2 people in the house and they're seeing futons in places that they shouldn't be, or things like that, they can alert us to potential issues.